Crush. Create. Learn. This is more than destruction. It's innovation in motion. Watch industrial shredders rip through obstacles while unlocking the secrets behind their design, safety, and unstoppable force. Right here you see the Gorilla SG-200K in action. Those twin shafts are counter-rotating with surgical precision, tearing through dense roof like it's nothing. That kind of force, combined with controlled torque, keeps the operation smooth and safe, even under extreme pressure. Brooks really nailed it with the 1006. That 565 kilowatt Volvo engine isn't just powerful, it delivers consistent torque at 750 revolutions per minute for precise chipping. The use of hard-ox steel in wear areas shows smart engineering for durability. If you're in the biomass or forestry sector, this machine is a long-term investment in productivity. Wow, the crushing force demonstrated here is immense. It reminds me of a story someone shared about working at a waste site. A van parked in the loader's blind spot, similar size, maybe 45 tons, and got crushed when the operator reversed. Thankfully, no one was hurt then, but this video is a stark reminder. Always stay visible and keep clear of heavy machinery. Which car getting shredded hit you the hardest? Was it the compact Smart, the everyday Octavia, or seeing that luxury Porsche Cayenne meet its end in the Titan 950's jaws? It's oddly satisfying yet slightly painful to watch. What do you think? Watch this Limac shear on the Hitachi EX200 just demolish that stump. The jaws open wide to grab the stump base. Then, immense hydraulic pressure closes the jaws, cutting through the wood like giant scissors. The special V-shaped blades also help split the wood along the grain, making removal much easier. Smart tech. Okay, the mini bike was cool, but what about something really tough? Like throwing in a solid steel anvil or maybe an old V8 engine block. Let's see what this beast can really handle. Shredding a gas tank looks risky. Hope y'all took precautions. Did it need to be completely purged and maybe filled with water or something first? Safety first, right? This video really puts the tire waste problem into perspective. We see cars and trucks everywhere, but rarely think about where the old tires go. They're bulky and incredibly durable, making them a nightmare to handle. Seeing the EcoMax 800 efficiently shredding them down highlights a crucial first step in recycling. It's not just about shredding, it's about creating a sustainable loop and reducing landfill burden. Keep these solutions coming. Too big for mulch, too small for fire. Maybe use them for hugelkultur mounds, or just re-chip them smaller? Gotta be some workaround, right? That manganese steel jaw on the J40 crusher sounds tough as nails. Chewing through hard rock and recycled concrete, 300 tons per hour from this compact beast? Bet the sound of it crunching rock is pure satisfaction. Definitely a powerhouse. This is the McCloskey S190 triple deck screener, and it's absolutely demolishing this batch of sticky lime rock. Stuff like this can seriously challenge equipment, often clogging screens, but watch how the S190 powers through. Its aggressive screening action efficiently separates the material into usable sizes. Impressive. Think of it like this. The big Lindner Uraco 95DK is the chewer, breaking down huge chunks of wood into smaller pieces. Then, the Rotochopper 266 acts like the grinder, turning those pieces into sawdust or fine chips. Watching them work together shows how different machines team up to do a big job quickly and efficiently. Cool tech in action. And here's where the process often starts, before that wood even sees a shredder. The Rotten H21-D harvester is an absolute beast, boasting 305 horsepower, purely dedicated to felling and processing trees right at the source. With its EGS 706 head, it makes short work of timber, showcasing the incredible power needed at the very beginning of the forestry chain. And here's a setup showcasing even more tech working together. The precision of the Fuchs MHL 320 feeder, combined with the Lindner shredder, the smart Comtech splitter, and finally the Norditek VS1220 vibrating screen. It's impressive how they integrate to handle diverse park debris efficiently, separating valuable resources from waste. If there's ever a zombie apocalypse, give me one of these. One shaft spinning like crazy, and those unicorn teeth? No undead would survive. Wood, bone, whatever, shredded in seconds. Double the trouble, double the crunch. This dual auger compactor is making quick work of mountains of cardboard and packing foam. It just pulls everything in and crushes it down relentlessly. Similarly, this Comar EM40G model utilizes a single powerful auger screw. It demonstrates its capability by processing bulky items, in this case, full-size exercise equipment. Now that's what I call muscle in motion, don't you think? Someone raided the garage and the junkyard for this masterpiece. A wood chipper from a wheel rim? That's next-level recycling. With a WD-250 gearbox, probably slowed down so it doesn't launch branches into orbit. Thing looks meaner than my lawnmower after skipping leg day. Prepare for industrial carnage. The mighty Case CX240 excavator relentlessly feeds condemned pallets into the jaws of the fearsome Peterson 4700B grinder. Each scoop is a prelude to pulverization. Watch as the grinder violently devours wood waste, spitting out processed material. Absolute demolition efficiency on display. Feeling stressed? Let me introduce your new therapy. Watching this metal barrel and can shredder absolutely demolish everything. There's something deeply satisfying about that crunch. All right, folks, feast your eyes on this absolute beast, the Rotar RDP32S pulverizer. Schmidtline. Excavating is showing us demolition power at its finest. Watch how it just munches through that concrete like it's nothing. Incredible cutting force and easy-to-swap parts make this a demo site champion. Drop a 1 in the comments if our video blew your mind. Your support fuels our creative fire. Ever wonder what happens to old batteries? Sometimes this. Komar Industries takes on the crucial, unseen task of shredding them down. Using advanced patented shredding tech built into machines like this, QR242430, they begin the vital process of breaking down hazardous waste for safer handling and recycling. Not all destruction is waste. What you just saw will soon become recycled greatness, floorboards, compost, or renewable energy. Stick around, subscribe to Green Tech, because the journey of these materials is far from over.